We now live in a world where everyone is like a modern-day serf, working under the sprawling tech empires. Google and Amazon are the new feudal lords, competing not for land, but for your digital footprint. This isn't capitalism as we once knew it, where services were exchanged for money. No, it's a digital feudalism where land, the virtual kind, is the currency of power. The internet is vast, yet small. We can access endless websites and servers, but the platforms that dominate our online lives are gated communities, owned by a few corporations. Some scholars call this technical feudalism. While technology has brought convenience, it has also enabled these corporations to build monopolies, pulling society back into a feudal state. Today, 8 out of the 10 most valuable companies are tech giants. The industrial behemoths of the past, like Walmart and Siemens, are relics in comparison. Traditional industries profit through production, but the wealth of these platforms stems from controlling access to digital spaces. This isn't capitalism, it's the rent-seeking of feudal lords. Switching platforms feels impossible. Once we've built our lives within these ecosystems, leaving is like abandoning a home. We end up paying not just with money, but with our data. These platforms harvest our data like feudal dues. We think we're getting services for free, but in reality, we're surrendering our digital identities. Our data is sold to advertisers and insurers without our consent. We have no real choice if we want to access these essential services. Even companies are at the mercy of these platforms. Small businesses must pay protection fees in the form of data and commissions. Whether you're an individual, or a corporation, you must submit. Yes, we're free in this technical feudalism, but that freedom is hollow. It's the same as a worker's freedom to choose who exploits them. This concept of technical feudalism is gaining traction among scholars worldwide. Some argue that capitalism has reached its end, replaced by something more primitive. Greek economist Dionysius argues that platform capitalism has undermined the core principles of capitalism. It's not about production anymore, it's about monopolizing and controlling resources. These platforms create simulated markets, where prices are controlled not by supply and demand, but by algorithms designed to maximize profits. It's an invisible hand that no longer serves the market but the platform. According to Dionysius, we've transitioned from capitalism to something more akin to technical feudalism. But is that really true? In the past, monopolies were tied to production. Today, platform capitalism is detached from the production process, focusing instead on control and speculation. Financialization has also changed. Investment funds prioritize liquidity and short-term gains over long-term development, further distancing today's platform capitalism from traditional models. This isn't just capitalism evolving, it's a fundamental shift. The rules have changed, and so has the game. The age of capitalism may not be over, but it's certainly taken a new, more ominous form.